Hello, welcome to Spanish Drops. I don't know, I needed something that was easy because I'm just a beginner. So we're going to go to the foundation. Let's learn the essentials and see what happens. Hope it works.
Sí,
Sí. Yes. What do I do?
sí,
Sí. Sí means yes.
sí,
Sí.
no,
No means no.
de acuerdo,
De acuerdo. De acuerdo? I don't know what that means.
de acuerdo,
De acuerdo. De acuerdo. What does that mean? I don't know.
de acuerdo,
What's happening here? De acuerdo. A thumb up?
de acuerdo,
De acuerdo? Okay. Still don't know what it means. It means yeah? De acuerdo.
de acuerdo,
De acuerdo. What does it mean though? Sí means yes.
sí,
Sí.
hola,
Hola. Hello. I'm dragging it. It's not working.
hola,
Hola. Hola.
hola,
Hola. Si acuerdo. Whatever. All right. De acuerdo. Acuerdo.
de acuerdo,
De acuerdo. I don't know what it means though. It doesn't. Si. It means yeah.
sí,
Si.
gracias,
Gracias. It means thank you.
gracias,
Gracias. Okay. Gracias.
gracias,
Gracias. Gracias. What is this? No. That means
de
de
acuerdo,
acuerdo. What I have no idea what that means though. Hola is hello.
hola,
Hola.
adiós,
Adios is goodbye. There we go.
adiós,
Adios. Adios.
adiós,
De acuerdo. No, that's
sí,
sí. Adios is goodbye.
adiós,
Hola. Where's the A? Oh, I'm in the way.
hola,
Hola.
por favor,
Por favor, please. Oh, I have to drag him into my mind or something? Is that working?
por favor,
Por favor. Por favor is please.
por favor,
Por favor. Adios.
adiós,
Adios. No.
hola,
Hola. Gracias. It means thank you. I guess that's it.
gracias,
Gracias. Gracias, gracias.
de acuerdo,
De acuerdo is this, whatever that means.
de acuerdo,
Good job? I don't know.
yo,
Yo. Oh, it means I.
yo,
Yo. Oh. Well done. Let's review it then. Let's do it. Oh, they want me to pay probably a bunch of money or something, right? It's kind of cool. It looks pretty. It's I still don't know what de acuerdo means. It means good job, thumbs up. Yeah, I don't know. So I can't. All right, anyway, we're done. This is drops.